This video is for my college students who need to learn how to clean out a sink that is clogged with hair and debris. The first thing you need to get this project done is a bucket to catch all the crap that's going to come through the pipe. Next, put the bucket under the pipes, and then you can start unscrewing these like this. And like this. Till they get loose enough that you can just shake it and pull it off like that. Now you see it's completely open. And then you can pour this and it's going to be gross. Oh, that's gross. Yeah, there's a bunch of crap. Next thing you'll do is come up to the sink, and this is really disgusting and stinky. And I'm gonna turn on this water and try to rinse out the pipe. And you'll hear water going down because it's actually emptying right into there, kind of cleaning it out. Make sure you don't leave that on or it'll overflow. You also might want to get some paper towel or something and try to rinse this out as best you can. So I'm going to get some paper towel like this, roll it up, and clean it out like that. That'll do. I mean, that's pretty clean. I'm gonna do it again. Maybe get a little wet. So you can see it's getting a lot of the junk out, like this. Layers of something. And I'll rinse it out again. Okay, that's pretty clean. That one's pretty clean too. We'll throw all this stuff away. And we'll chuck it in there. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do, rinse this all off. I still got the bucket underneath there, so I'm rinsing all this into the bucket. Okay, the last thing I want to do is take this stuff and put it back on the way it was, like this. I'm going to tighten this.
Make sure it's clean enough.
Yep. And tighten this. And then I'm going to turn it on. Oh, I probably should have taken it off. It's not leaking though, so that's good. So this is an error. I probably should have taken the bucket out before I put this thing back on. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll take the bucket out, and then I'll put this back on. So this is the trickiest part, is making sure you get this stuff all on the right way. And it's tight. And then that is how you unclog